So, in my previous devlog for the Angry Dudes game, I made a small checklist of what I need to add to my game so the game is kind of complete, or at least ready for the demo release. And I decided to start with the start menu, well, pun intended. And in this video we will make the start menu, and the next video will be about fixing this annoying angle issue and adding a small exit button. When this all done, I will need to do only minor bug fixes and the game would be more or less complete. So, to implement the start menu, I have two options. First, I can create another room dedicated for start menu, and that's the approach that you would like to take if you have a complicated start menu with options and things like that. Or I can use the same room and use UI layer overlay, like I did with the game over menu. I think in my case, using the UI layer overlay would be the best approach. So that's what I did. I copied game over layer and I changed the title to something welcoming to the player, and instead of the replay game button, I created a start game button. After a bit of coding and reshuffling and some mistakes, I got my game running, but the game would not restart properly. That's painful.
Few moments later.
At this point, honestly, I don't know what the problem.
A few more moments later.
Okay, finally I have the working result. So you go to the game, you are welcomed with the start menu, then you start the game, you play it, and you restart the game, and you play it for as long as you want. So here it is. Start menu is added, the new version of the game is available on itch.io, and in the next devlog we will finalize the game. It was Tess Encoder. Don't forget to like, subscribe and all this stuff. See you around, folks!